Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at a beer called St. Bernardus Tripel. St. Bernardus Tripel. But before we do, and you end up liking this video, please hit the like and subscribe buttons and hit that notification bell for more great beer reviews. I greatly appreciate it. So this beer was brewed by the St. Bernardus Brewery. It's located in Watteau, Belgium, and they've been there since 1946. 1946. And this beer is classified as a Belgian triple and comes in at an 8% with 25 IBUs. So when I looked up the IBUs, there was many different listings in the first page. And every other page would have probably the same. The average had it at a 25 IBUs. Some said 20, some said 30, but the majority of them said 25. So that's what we're going with, 25. So yeah, that's the way it is. So this beer was originally started, or the brewery was originally started to brew for the monks. Now I think one of the first videos I said was brewed by the monks. It could be, but I'm not sure about that. This beer it was where the brewery was founded to brew for the monks, and then back in the 90s, I believe, completely changed and brewed for the public. I'm sure they still brewed for the monks too, but not solely for the monks. And I read that yesterday, and I'm pretty sure I'm right on that. Unless it changed in the 24 hours. Let's see, let's open this thing. Well, I didn't see a date on here. Saw no date. Pretty sure there's no date. There is a lot of writing. Nothing any of us need to know about. Just warnings and this printing here, this paragraph, I need a microscope to see what that says. We're not going there. If they made it, God damn it. Well, she's a bit foamy. Just a bit foamy. Not worried about that. I already got a mess. I'm gonna have to clean this up. So I don't know if I've ever had beer from this place before, but she has a ridiculous amount of foam. I don't remember the other beer I made or reviewed from this place, if it was this foamy or not. It's definitely foamy. I'll have to clean all this up later. Got a video to do. So I smell some banana and pear. A little bit of citrus. And a hint of sweet malt. Table's a little wet. It's going to be a bit till I can get to that. I don't know why some of these beers come so ridiculously foamy. But that just shot out as soon as I opened it. What do? You know, not going to throw it away. Could taste good. Now, will it taste good? I don't know. Sure hope so. So that foam doesn't travel very far. So it's really no big deal to drink it. Not going to get it all over your face. So you definitely get a rich, malty sweetness. And there's apricot there. And maybe some pear. I get a little orange zest. And maybe a little spice, a little pepper. So you definitely get a few different flavors in there. It ain't bad. I think the worst part about it is opening it. I want to open it near the sink. I'll have to make a mental note. When I buy beer from this brand, open it in the sink. Unfortunately, my memory is very short. It's very good, but very, very short. Just my reality. Well, might as well put it all in there. So this beer actually came from somebody from Indiana. Somebody that's seen one of my other videos from, I don't remember what city it was. What was it? Indianapolis? Mike from Indianapolis. Mike from Indianapolis, thank you for the beer. It was awesome. Now, if anybody else wants to send in a beer, to have it on the wall, you probably want to send a can, because that way it'll be up on the wall. I do have bottles up here, and this one will go up here, but it's going to be behind me. The bottles always go behind me because they take up too much room. Just the way it goes. So this beer, I would rate about a 5.5. I'm not the biggest fan of these Belgian triples. Not the biggest. Not my thing. I mean, it's got a kind of a funky funky aftertaste. Yeah, you got all those flavors, but combined, just I wouldn't say odd, but I would if I wasn't on camera, but I'm on camera, so I don't want to say odd, because then you offend, not defend, but offend people, and we don't want to do that. So I'm not going to say it tastes like crap or anything like that, or odd. It's all right. It's a Belgian Tripel. Is it my thing? You know what? To be honest, I like some IPAs better than this. I didn't think I'd ever say that. But the Belgians, these Belgian beers, got a funky flavor. But it is a 5.5. I give it a 5.5. So that's pretty good. So with that, probably going to do it. Now, if you enjoyed this video, remember to like and share, or like and subscribe, and share it too. Tell the whole world. Why not? And this beer, like I say, will probably go right